Hello students, today we are going to learn about Wavy Curve Method. Wavy Curve Method. Now what is this method and how useful it is? So the first point is that it is used to solve inequalities. Now how to proceed? I will give you an example and then we will solve it step by step. Let's take a simple inequality x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 is less than 0. This is a very simple inequality. The first step in this process is to find critical points. Now what are critical points? Critical points are those points in which the factors in the inequality become 0. That is, x minus 1 becomes 0 or x plus 2 becomes 0. So what are the critical points? The critical points come out to be the minus 2 and plus 1. So in the second step, let's jot down these critical points on the number line. That is minus 2 and that is plus 1. Now if you observe carefully, if we take a number greater than 1, let's say number is 3, okay, so put the number 3 in the equation and you will find out that the expression is positive. Now let's take a number in between minus 2 and 1, that is, let's say 0. So if you put down 0 in x minus 1, that is minus 1, and x plus 2, that is 2. So minus 1 multiplied by 2 is less than 0. So this expression becomes negative. Again, take any number less than minus 2, let's say minus 3, it will again become positive. So as you can see that there is a wave, that is plus minus plus. So this is how you solve it, that is plus, this is minus, then it is plus. So how you will get the answer? The answer is the shaded portion, that is less than 0. So you have got your answer in between minus 2 and 1. X is in between minus 2 and 1, but can you include minus 2 and 1? So the answer is no, you cannot include minus 2 and 1 because the inequality is less than 0 and not less than equals to 0. So the answer is minus 2 to 1. Here is your answer.